Our global ecosystem is entering a new crisis. The breadth and scale of this crisis sets it apart from previous. A diversity of shocks, environmental, economic, social, geopolitical, and technological, are interacting with increasing complexity. This is the Polycrisis, with a level of consequence that threatens survival. Yet, for many of us, it remains unnoticed. Its nonlinear features make it difficult to perceive in its approach and mitigate in its effect. At the core of the Polycrisis is a unifying factor, us. Our actions and decisions intricately shape and connect its diverse challenges. From these interactions, the Metacrisis is revealed, which encompasses how human emotion and cognition frames our approach to these interconnected challenges. Systems thinking can serve as a lens to begin to understand these relations. From our population, our collective decisions can increase or mitigate the severity of the Polycrisis. In that process, information is returned, which in turn affects our decisions. The quantity and quality of information, now enhanced by digital technologies and the freedom of speech, are critical. It is the foundation of our collective cognition, the means by which we understand, the means by which we create our future. This is nothing new, of course. We have been at this as a species for over 300,000 years, evolving the world into the one we see today, and yet we have not. We are those same humans, now cast in a global civilization with modes of thought that promoted survival in the past, but now fail us. We face an ever-increasing volume of information, of facts and fictions, combined with a radical uncertainty produced by the Polycrisis. The ability to bring awareness to how we think about this information, in addition to what we think, becomes a critical component, separating signal from noise. This awareness is called metacognition, in which we critically evaluate cognitive biases and assumptions, recognize fallacies in reasoning and manipulation, gain the metic and narrative awareness. Metacognition is the cornerstone of critical thinking and social cognition. In essence, metacognition provides the tools for us to transcend our instinctual responses, enabling more thoughtful, informed, and effective actions in response to the multifaceted struggles we face, both global and personal. We now stand at the beginning of a new era in which computational resources can enable machine learning models capable of assisting humans with metacognition. Therefore, such an assistant, acting solely on behalf of the individual, is proposed to serve not as an arbiter of truth, but an assistant towards discernment, a teacher, to help align our cognition with the demands of the global ecosystem and the moral universe.